Good evening. I'd like to welcome you to CCIF. My name is Scott Weidman. I'm from Audi Canada. I'm here along with my colleague Mark Allen from Audi of America. And we have got a fantastic CCIF show ahead of us. I'm sure you'll all agree. So I'm here tonight to speak to you about Audi technology and the direction of Audi's collision repair network and program. So as you're looking at the history of Audi collision and structural repair, you'll notice that in the early 90s, we obviously have started out with steel-intensive bodies. In the mid-90s, we moved towards our first structural aluminum vehicle in the A8, and then gravitated towards carbon fiber introduction with the R8 in 2008. Now we list here that we're moving towards the future with the TT, and really it's not the future, it's here now. And this TT body is here tonight in a body in white format that you can stop by the Audi booth and have a look at to see the technology that's in the car. It's actually an end-of-life training body, and you'll get to see some of the repairs that were performed on the vehicle. So structurally, the TT remains within the Audi aluminum structural program. However, it's a major departure from its previous generation. It's now into a hybrid mixed materials construction, moving away from an all aluminum construction body. You'll see on the screen that there are many different substrates in the vehicle, and we've done this obviously with one of the major concerns is weight savings. Again, on the screen, you'll see the generational divide between the two models. The outgoing generation, largely an aluminum structural body, and then the current generation in its hybrid mixed materials environment. So the questions start to arise for you as repairers and the collective partners in this process, including the insurers. How do we maintain the education level on approach to repair of these vehicles and ensure that we achieve a safe, reliable, repeatable repair for our customers? Some of the joining techniques that were brought out for the TT, you'll notice on the screen that we've got many different formats: flow drill screws, resistance spot welding, clinching. Obviously, we've also got some aluminum welding in this vehicle, punch rivets, as well as adhesives. So it's a varied repair mix for this body, and what it really needs to emphasize in this program is education and following the repair literature. What I'd like to do now is introduce Mark Allen from Audi of America to introduce the fundamental changes that are happening within the Audi brand generationally and what we can look forward to as far as materials in the very near future. So Mark?
Thank you, Scott. Thank you all for having me here. It's a beautiful event, nice event space. This is where we're going. Not only Audi of America, but we need as an industry to start looking at where are the other manufacturers going. And it's a very interesting tale. If you look at the slides that we have up around here, and you look at our Q7 2015 and earlier was steel intensive with aluminum closure panels. Where are we going now? Well, for your benefit, we have a brand new Q7 here, 2017. It's 41% aluminum. It's also mixed with high strength steel and ultra high strength steel. So we have a hybrid construction. The days of pulling, of welding, of cutting, the things that we thought we knew are now changing. So we really need to take a look at what those changes are and consider how we write an estimate up for the car, the parts order, the blueprinting, and certainly the repair procedures dictating the repair process. Our new A4, old version, very steel intensive, no aluminum except for closure panels, The new A4, which just released, is a hybrid construction, aluminum cast strut towers, high strength steel, ultra high strength steel, aluminum closure panels. And now the biggest one. If you thought the R8 was groundbreaking and it's all aluminum space frame construction, you're right. But where are we going? We're going to aluminum hybrid construction with carbon fiber. Super strong, super light, but totally different repair process. What we knew and what we thought we knew, again, is changing. We can't do this by experience anymore. Training becomes key, and that's what we're about. Helping you help our mutual customer get back into a safe vehicle and do the repair the right way. Scott?
So one of the next changes that we're moving towards, as Mark mentioned, is the new R8, which comes out very shortly this spring. And this is a complete game changer for the Audi brand. As you look at your screen right now, you can see the material construction of this body, the complexity that is involved. You've got aluminum sheets, you've got cast aluminum, extruded aluminum, and then you've got a large carbon fiber tub assembly and tunnel assembly on this vehicle. So the questions need to be asked. How do we approach repairs to this car? Obviously, training is key. Following OE repair guidelines are absolute. There can't be any departure from that. And this is one of the new and exciting movements that we're moving towards with Audi. And we appreciate the time that you've taken in looking at the presentation. Please enjoy CCIF, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.